What's up, guys? It's Wanza and I'm back. I'm so sorry I've not posted in the last 2 weeks. I was kidogo not feeling well. This homa is not, it's not fun. This homa thing is not fun. Anyway, guys, I'm coming to you today with 5 ways that I use conditioner for my natural hair. So yeah, I am super excited. I just want to also say thank you for my subbies, for the people who have subscribed recently. I see you guys and I just want to say thank you. I appreciate for believing in me and for just always watching my content. I really just want to say thank you. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Hey, let's do this. Okay, let's do this. The conditioner is not moisturizing. Please do not try this. Do not try this because you're going to feel so bad, and then you're going to just feel bad, and then you're going to say Wanza kunyambia but nimekwambia. So this is the conditioner that I use. It's Cantu hydrating cream conditioner. It works so well for my 3C hair. Even being thin and fine, it works even better. I love it. Like, it smells so good and it is so moisturizing, so hydrating, and very good sleep for my hair. Point number 1, as a conditioner, obviously after you shampoo or maybe sometimes before you shampoo, I smother conditioner on my hair when I'm detangling, because I just want to have an easy time detangling. Sometimes I use a comb. Recently I've actually been using combs to detangle my hair. I know that it's not good for my hair personally, but anyway. Point number 2, as I leave in, so after I've shampooed, deep treatment, and then conditioned my hair, I don't wash it out 100%. I wash it out like 50-60% off, and then I leave the rest. And when I'm styling, I only add a little cream, like a little curling cream, just a little, and then I braid or twist or whatever, and my hair stays super moisturized through the week. Number 3, I use it as a pre-poo. So sometimes I can use it on its own or mix it with coconut oil or argan oil, or yeah, just one of the oils that I have. And then yeah, I just stay with it either overnight or for some hours, and my hair loves it. Like, it becomes super moisturized. I use a lot of conditioner just because I want it to be soaked into my hair shaft, like, completely. Number 4, I use it as a moisturizer. So I know a lot of guys are like, as a what? Yeah, I use it as a moisturizer. How is the question. Sometimes after washing my hair, I just either not rinse it out, like rinse out 10% and then just braid my hair, and I'm going to, like, my hair is going to be super moisturized, like I said, for the week. The way you'd use it as a cream, I use it like that. That's what I mean. So the last one but not least is the deep treatment. As a deep treatment, and this I'm telling you, it works for my hair, it works for 4C hair, it works for all hair types. I did a tutorial on how I do my deep treatment for conditioner, coconut oil, and honey, and I'm going to link it here. It's really nice, really easy. All you need again is coconut oil, honey, and your hydrating conditioner. You don't need this one. I'm not saying you need this one. You just need a conditioner that's super hydrating and moisturizing and has good sleep. I guess that's why I end this 5 ways of using conditioner for your hair, and I hope you like them. I hope you'll try them. I hope you'll tell me if they worked or not. Again, it's always a trial and error. If these don't work for you or one of them don't work for you, it's okay. You can find something that works for your hair, but I can guarantee you, if you have type 3 hair, these will work for you. Maybe if you have type 3 hair and it's thick, like maybe really thick, then maybe you need to consider buying way more conditioner, buying a lot in bulk, because this, my sister and I have used this, I think, for 2 months, and look at where it is. and we use a lot. Yeah, it's thin and fine hair, guys. She also has thin hair, though she's palmed her hair. Anyway, yeah, that's the end of this. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it, and I'm just grateful. I think we're almost or at 700 subscribers. I'm grateful. I just want to say that my goal for this year was to get to 1,000, and I can see it. I can smell it, and I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. Thank you so much, yani Mungu tuwabariki, because this makes me so happy, and you don't know how like I'm so happy. And talking about natural hair and things that work for me that can work for you makes me so happy. I would want to help you out with your hair and help you out in your journey. And yeah, anyway, I can talk all day, fam. I can talk and talk and talk. So wacha niseme kwaheri, and yeah, have a good one. See you next week. Yes, I'm not going away again. I promise, guys. Homa imeniwacha, so I'm not going anywhere. So bye. I love you.